Hello friends. Today we are going to discuss about a very important tool which is used for the researchers. For the researcher, writing a research paper is a very routine job. Therefore, managing citations and references manually is a very tedious job. To manage citations and references automatically, we are using one tool. There are various tools, but we are going to discuss about Mendeley Desktop. Now, what is Mendeley Desktop? Mendeley Desktop is a tool for managing the citations and references. Let us download it. Open Google, type mendeley.com. One screen like this will be appeared. Click on the download. It will start downloading. After pressing the download, click on the download Mendeley desktop for the window. Downloading will start. Since I have already downloaded it, I will cancel the downloading. For using Mendeley desktop, registration is very important. Therefore, you have to create account. Click on the create account. Since I have already created the account, I will click on the sign in. I will write my user ID and password. When the software get downloaded, click on the installation file, and once it install on the desktop, one icon will be appeared, shortcut icon. This is the Mendeley desktop icon. Double click on it. Since I am using this software from long time, therefore I have added many papers over here. But if you are downloading it and using it for the first time, this center screen, this middle screen will be blank. Now, how to add the papers in the Mendeley? On the left top corner, here you can see add. Just click on this add button, go to the folder and add the paper whatever you want. Click on the paper and then open. Or you can drag and drop the papers also. I am opening the papers which are available with me. There are some paper. I can click one paper, two paper, whatever paper I want. I can drag these papers in the Mendeley. Okay. You can add papers up to 2 GB in the Mendeley. This provides 2 GB space for users. In file you can see various options like add files, add folder, watch folder, add entry manual, import, export, merge documents. There are various options. Delete documents. Then in edit, cut, copy, copy as, paste, select all. Then in view, library as table, citation style. There are various different citation styles inbuilt. You can add also. In tool, there is one option, install MS Word plugin. Since I have already installed it, therefore it is uninstall. If you are using it for the first time, there will be install MS Word plugin. Click on this and install MS Word plugin. When you install Word plugin and open the Word, in the Word go to the reference. In the reference, you will see the Mendeley Cytomatic. You will see Mendeley Cytomatic. In Mendeley Cytomatic, you will see insert citation, insert bibliography, open Mendeley, then style, expand as. In style, you can see various styles of the citation. Now, I want to use Mendeley for referencing and citation. Go to the Mendeley. There are some files which are indicated by the green dots. These green dots means these are online files. These are available on net. And there are some file along with a green dot, PDF symbol is also available. If you click on this file, the PDF will be open. Means this green sign indicates that this PDF sign indicates that this PDF is available for this, and for this PDF is not available. This is from the online source. You can add paper from the online source also. Just like take a look. If you want to add paper which is not available in hard copy with you, there is one paper. I'm right. I'm opening this paper. Suppose this paper is not available with you in hard copy. Then you can add this paper by clicking on the Mendeley add-ons. If I click on the Mendeley add-on, this page will appear, and here there are some options. This is the paper which I want to add. Click here, then add to Mendeley. This paper will get added in the Mendeley. You can search that paper in Mendeley. The topic is solid desiccant dehumidification and regeneration method. Just paste in the search bar. This is a paper solid desiccant dehumidification and regeneration method, a review. This paper is added over here. Now how to add the Mendeley desktop? How to add Mendeley desktop add-on? Just go to the Mendeley desktop, go to the tool and install web importer. Install web importer or type Mendeley desktop add-on. Click here. When you click here, the Mendeley desktop add-on will be added to your Chrome browser. Mendeley desktop add-on is very useful for adding the paper. We have taken an example to add the journal. Now how to add books and websites. Suppose I want to search the material which is available on the website. Suppose I want to search this desiccant material properties. There are some websites on which this data is available. Suppose this is a website www.solventsystem.com. I am opening it. There is some data. Suppose I am using this data and want to cite this website. Now click on the Mendeley desktop add-on. Then add to Mendeley. Just go to the Mendeley, check whether this has been added or not. Search in the search toolbar. Zorbent. Okay, this has been added. Zorbentsystem.com. You can see this has been added. Now jorbansystem.com, this has been added. You can see the website, then date of access. The publications year will not be given here because it's a website. When you click on the paper, the paper title, author name, journal name, year, volume, issue, page number, DY number. The year file is available in hard copy. Then PDF will be available also. Now how to add books? Go to the Google Book. I'm writing topic desiccant. On the desiccant there are some books available in the Google Book. Click on this book. Then click on the mainly desktop icon add-on. There are some suggestions. Suppose you want to add this book, click on this book and then add to mainly. Let us check whether this book has been added or not. Okay, this book not been added. Click on this synchronize. The name of book is Desiccant Assisted Cooling Fundamental and Application. Synchronize it once. Now search. Okay. Desiccant Assisted Cooling Introduction Application. This book is available now. Desiccant Assisted Cooling Fundamental and Application. Here you can see year, volume. Now let us check. Let us see how to give citations and references. Open the Word document. I can use paper which is available in Mendeley directly. Suppose I double click on the paper which is available with a PDF. Then paper will get opened. Suppose I am using this material from this paper. This copy I am pasting over here. And I have to give citations now. Just look at the title. At the right hand side, title is available. Just copy this title. Go to the word copy. Click over here. Then go to the reference. Click on the site insert citation. Now here paste this title. This title is available over here. Now two papers are available with the same title. Actually I have added this file two times, therefore you can see here two papers. Actually this is same paper, but I have added two times, therefore it is available two files. You can click on any file because both are same. Then press OK. You can see citation is available. Here I have taken material from the main lay. I can take material from available paper also. I am opening this file and I am taking material from the hard copy which is available with me. I will open it in Adobe Reader. Suppose I am taking this material from this paper and pasting over here. Now I have to cite it. To cite it, go to the insert citation. You should know the title of paper or author's name along with the year. Paste over here. This is the paper. Check the paper before adding. The author is Stefano D. Atronils. DS came 2018. Check the paper. It is the same paper. The paper is written in this language. Therefore, your option is not showing. You can see the paper is available now. Suppose I want to take one more data from the paper, from the another paper. Suppose this data is same for two or more paper, one or more paper, or for the many paper. I can give citation to the two or more paper also. Insert the citation. Suppose this data you have taken from the two authors one is like Rambhad. The paper is from 2016. Look at the paper for the name Rambhad. The different paper will be appeared. If you write 2016, the paper from the 2016 will be appear over here. Check the paper if this is the correct paper. Click over here. Then another link for a reference will be available. You can write the author of or the title of the paper which want to give reference for this same material, like desiccant dehumidification, or write the name of author like Jang. This is the paper. Suppose this is a paper. Click over here and press OK. Now the citation for two different paper will be available here. Now if you want to give referencing, where you want to give reference, click there, write reference, press enter. Suppose you want to start referencing from here, click here and then click on the insert bibliography. You can find that the four paper references for four paper have been appeared. Now you can change the citation style. This style is for International Journal of Thermal Science. Since I have selected, this was not in the default list I have added. You can select for different paper like renewable and sustainable energy review. Now you can see the style has been changed. You can write for triple E also, IEEE. You can see citations style has been changed. You can see here 3 comma 4 has been changed. Before it was like 3 comma 4. Then there are a number of citations style you can give here. Suppose if you don't find any citation style which is required to you, then click on the more citation, more style. Then go to the get more style, type here author name. There are some install citation style which is available in that page also. If you want to get more, click here, click over here. Suppose I want citation style for Journal of Refrigeration. This international journal is available, International Journal for Refrigeration. Then I will click on install. Now it is installed. Therefore I'll click over here and click on the use this style. Okay, you can see here the style has been changed. You can see the International Journal of Refrigeration. If you want to give, if you have some material but you don't have uh, paper, if you want to give citation of some paper but you don't have hard copy of that paper and to search that paper, then you can go to the my library, then here literature search. Suppose there are some paper you want to give citation to that, but that paper is not available with this mainly, then go to the literature search, then type the title. Suppose I am giving some title like search that paper over here. This is the paper you want to add in this, but this paper is not available with. Now I'm searching in the literature search. Now there are various papers matching this title is available. The heterogeneous preferences for solar energy policies among the household. This paper is available now. Click on this paper and here on the right hand side press on the save reference. Now this paper will be available. again press on that paper. Okay, now you can see in this way you can give, in this way you can manage citation and references. Thank you guys for watching.